Today we have the 2021 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 49,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay, and our setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our climate control, heated seats on either side, our heated steering wheel, and our drive mode button for our 4 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.